A fire erupted at a tower block located here in Dagenham. The building, which is still under construction, quickly became engulfed in flames. The cause of the fire is still under investigation, but it is believed to have started on one of the upper floors where construction work was actively underway. Construction workers and witnesses who were on site at the time of the incident describe a chaotic scene with thick black smoke billowing from the building and flames shooting out from the windows. Currently, the fire has been mostly contained, but firefighters are still on the scene, monitoring hotspots and working to fully extinguish the blaze. The full extent of the damage is yet to be assessed, but it's clear that this fire has caused significant destruction to the tower block. As the investigation continues, local residents and businesses in the area are being advised to stay clear of the site until it is declared safe.